Join my Telegram group for free where I will be giving away free buy and sell signals. The link is below this video. Hi everybody, in this video I will show you guys the best 1-minute scalping strategy that will blow your mind. This is a pretty amazing trading strategy, but the reason this strategy is so crazy is that we'll use a risk to reward ratio of 4-to-1. I'll explain the complete strategy and the indicators used in detail. After that, we'll go through multiple examples of a buy and sell trade, and we'll also go through some false signals and see how we can stay away from them. Before we start, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for informational purposes only. This is what your chart is going to look like when we are done setting up our chart for this strategy. I'll cross these out so that I can explain everything from the beginning. So I'm in tradingyou.com and I'm using a Bitcoin chart to explain this strategy. You could also use this strategy on any market with high liquidity. We'll set our time frame to 1 minute, and we're going to be using regular candles. So now let's go ahead and build our setup step by step. First, you want to click on the Indicators tab and search for Whole Suite, and select this one right here. The Whole Moving Average indicator is a combination of weighted moving averages. It prioritizes recent price changes over older ones. The result is a moving average that's dynamic yet smooth, able to help identify the dominating market trend. For the second indicator, let's add Least Square Moving Average. Add this one right here. The least squares moving average first calculates a least squares regression line over the preceding time periods and then projects it forward to the current period. In essence, it calculates what the value would be if the regression line continued. Now we need to make some adjustments to these indicators, so let's first access the settings on a Whole Suite indicator. And in the Input section, we'll disable this option. Also in the Style section, we'll make the lines more visible. Now we'll access the settings for LSMA, the least square moving average, and change the color of the moving average to white. Okay, now the setup is complete. As we can see, it's very simple, and it does not require a premium TradingView subscription. So now let's go through the rules for this strategy. These are the rules for entering a buy trade. For a buy signal to be valid, you need to have 3 conditions met. Number 1, the least square moving average, which is this white line, needs to cross the Whole Suite indicator upwards, like it's crossing here. Rule number 2, at the time we have a cross, the Whole Suite must be red color. And number 3, the candlestick must be positioned above the Whole Suite and the LSMA. If the candlestick is below or touching the lines, you simply do not enter the trade. Once you have these 3 conditions met, you can simply enter the trade at the close of this candle. So we'll enter the trade here. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing low for a buy trade, and we're going to be targeting 4 times the risk. As you can see, this trade ended in a profit. Because of the huge reward-risk ratio, sometimes you'll have to wait quite a while for the price action to hit exact profit target, which is actually not a big problem if you're trading on a 1-minute time frame. Here you can see the LSMA line crosses the Whole Suite, but the Whole Suite is not red, so you'll stay away from these trades and only enter when all the rules are confirmed for a buy trade. Now we'll go through the rules for entering a sell trade. For sell positions, the rules are exactly opposite. First, the LSMA line must cross the Whole Suite line from top to bottom. Second, the Whole Suite must be green color. And third, the candlestick must fully close below the lines like it's doing over here. So we'll get in this trade right here. The stop loss will be set at the recent swing high, and just like with the buy trades, we're going to be targeting 4 times the risk. And you can see this trade would have ended in a profit. If you stay patient and wait for all the rules to be confirmed and then get in the trade, this strategy can be pretty beneficial. Now we'll go through multiple examples for a buy and sell trade. By the way, if you also want to trade in crypto, don't forget to take a look at the exchange BitGet. I myself also trade on this exchange, and as you can see, I have more than $114,000 on it. So it is a reliable platform where you can open buy and sell positions via your laptop or via the mobile app. Be sure to take a look because they have several bonuses and even a failure bonus up to $4,163. The link to BitGet is below this video in the description. Here, all the rules for a buy trade are confirmed as we can see here. The LSMA line crosses above the Whole Suite line and the Whole Suite is red, and this candle right here closed above the Whole Suite and LSMA line. So we'll get in this trade right here, set our stop loss at the recent swing low, and for a risk to reward ratio of 4-to-1. Our trade would have ended in a profit right here. Here is another short example. We see the LSMA line just cross the Whole Suite while it was being green, and the candlestick is being positioned below the lines at the time the cross happened. So we'll get in the trade at this candle and set the stop loss at the recent swing high for sell trades and for a risk to reward of 4-to-1. This would have been a successful trade. We see sometimes we don't have to wait that long for the market to hit our target, and sometimes it can take some time to hit profit target. So we can see that the strategy is very easy to follow. So basically, that's the gist of the strategy. This strategy can be really beneficial because of the risk-to-reward ratio used in it. But make sure to backtest this strategy yourself so that you can understand the potential of this strategy yourself. So traders, definitely give the strategy a try, but make sure you do the proper backtesting and forward testing before trading live. By the way, if you have any suggestions on how to improve the strategy, please let us know in the comments. And if you want to follow this strategy without analyzing, just follow my free Telegram channel. Also, feel free to check out my other videos on the channel. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.